Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be quickly telling you about my hazard lights and the 12 different blinking patterns that it has. So as you can see, this is the hazard light switch that I have installed, and this small button right here is the button that is used to switch between all the different patterns. Okay, so right now this is the first blinking mode. So now I'm going to press this button, and as you can see, it has changed. Oh, this is the second one. So I'm going to be quickly going through all the patterns and I'll show you all the different patterns that I have on this bike. Okay, so after all these 12 patterns, you guys must be having some questions in mind. So the first question you might ask me is, do the side lights work when this is on? Okay, so right now the hazard lights are on and I'm going to turn on the left hand side light. So as you can see, it won't work. See what happens. So if you want the side lights to work, what you have to do is you have to put off the hazard light, and only then your side light will show up. Okay, so the second thing you guys will be asking me is, how much did I pay for these hazard lights? So for the fitment I have paid 100 rupees, and the hazard lights cost 1000 rupees, and the switch costs 150 rupees. So in total I have paid 1250 for these. So after this, the third question is, does this installation of hazard lights void the warranty of the bike? The answer is no, it does not void the warranty of the bike. So you can install them soon after you buy the bike. It won't be a problem and the company will not do anything. And if you claim insurance and anything, they will give you the insurance. Alright guys, so if you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comment sections below if you have any questions and all, I will answer them. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.